Today I'm going to show you how to download this. Link in the description. The APK is ready. This is Tipsway. So you may enjoy it. You may download the link from description. You may click the link in the description below. These are the VIPs. These are the VIPs. Date. As you see, these are the VIPs. Look at the VIPs combo. Let's see. People have been asking for this. Totally. So the app is ready. The app is good. The app is doing perfect. This is Tipsway. Tipsway. I'll provide the link in description. Kwa watu ambao wanataka kuidownload hii app, link nimeweka kwenye description, unaweza kupita nayo na ukaweza kudownload. Button langu iko chini, I think you see kwenye wifi pale nasema bytes per second, ndio maana mtandao unakuwa upo chini sana, KB 1 per second, lakini the app nimeijaribu na as I showed you, the app is good and the app is doing perfect. So let me do this first. You may download using the link in description. You may click the link in description and follow the procedures which you are given. Fuata zile steps ambazo umepewa au ukibonyeza link kwenye description na utaweza kudownload hii app. Mtandao wangu uko chini kinyama, mtandao wangu uko chini. My network is down, but yes, now okay. These are combos. As you see, these are combos. These are the special VIPs. These are Bestistas in New York, wins Boston. You see, it's totally good. It's totally perfect. Real Madrid and Girona. Real Madrid wins. And Eltere wins. Dubai wins. As you see, the app is good. Dijon, Loma, Pisa. These were Kuldashi, Shaka Donetski, and hivyo. As you see, so the app ipo poa sana. Download kupitia link in description. Thank you sana. Asante sana, ni Jonas Savimbi. Until the next time, bonyeza hiyo link ambayo description, pia ambayo nimespread sana kwa TikTok, huko Telegram utakutana nayo.